All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the token, cryptocurrency AMP token. Yep, this token's right at around 4 cents right now. A lot of people like to load it up when it's around 5 cents. It's actually at 4 cents, 4.1. So this could be a great loading up period. We're going to do a price prediction, go to their website. They've got 2 new listings, so there's 2 new places you can get the AMP token. Fantastic for the AMP army. I'm also going to check out the holders. I know there's been a huge increase in the last 90 days. We're going to go over that. Also, how would you like to move to Arkansas and get paid $10,000 in Bitcoin to move out there? If you're in the tech and you know how to do IT stuff, they're hiring. They took so many applications, 50 people last year, they actually gave $10,000 to, and they're doing it again this year. So we're going to kind of cover that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP is actually up 1% in the last 24 hours, 1.4. It's down about 5% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. Again, up here on the right-hand side, it's at 0.414 cents. It's up about 1.43%. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It's kind of gradually going up, and it's going up, and it's going up. Everybody's liking that. Clicking the holders. Clicking 3 months. 3 months ago, we had about 45,000 people holding the AMP token. Addresses, 45,000. Today, we got 64,000. It's a 20,000 increase on 45. That's about a 45% increase. 45% more people holding the AMP token in the last 90 days. That's going to be gigantic because the more people that hold the AMP, the more people that have the AMP, the more places that list the AMP. Fantastic. Going over here to the Twitter account, AMP is now official. VauldOfficial, VAULD, with full support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP via AMP/USD. Okay, so there's a couple pairs. Earn 1% with the Vault savings and use your tokens to collateralize a loan at a 200%. Get all the details over here. So you click the link. Okay, what are you waiting for? Head over to VauldOfficial to start earning, lending, trading, borrowing. They just added over 250 coins, everybody. Take a look right here. VAULD, VAUD, adds 238 new tokens and integrates BSC for select tokens. So a lot of cryptocurrencies going on. Here's their first listing of all the new tokens, new listings. Freaking a lot of them, everybody, right there. Avalanche right here in the middle. Bar right next to it. Burger. Yeah, how about some burger crypto? Next whole sheet, a whole nother list, mask, and you can see them. AMP tokens on one of these too. This is the third one. Look at all these they added. BEP20s. Here's a whole another list of anchors and all kinds of other bake cryptocurrencies. Add them right there. And then look at this ERC20 AMP token right there. So AMP is a new token that's listed. Fantastic. Also over at the Twitter account next week, we kick off the 2022 with 2 new crypto listings. Phantom and AMP. AMP is a collateral token by AMP token provided assets and instant assurance for real-world applications. New listings confirmed. So yep, BITSTAMP is now listing the AMP token. Freaking fantastic. And I know you guys heard this, that AMP is also, we have just announced, this was about a week and a half ago, an update that Grayscale DeFi Fund. AMP is the first time ever AMP will be included in a Grayscale investment vehicle. Yep, that's right. AMP is now in an investment vehicle with Grayscale. All right, so a lot of good updates and information going on with AMP token. If you're basically thinking about it, 4 cents, a lot of people like it at 5 cents to load back up. This is a perfect position. The difference from 4 to 5 cents is a whole cent. That's gigantic. If you're at 4 cents and it goes up to 5 cents, that goes up a cent, that's a 25% increase. So if it goes back up to 5 cents and you load up now, pretty good return on your money. All right, all our information is for educational purposes only. Let's go ahead and head over to Arkansas. People are getting $10,000 in Bitcoin to move out there if they're into tech. Get $10,000 in Bitcoin and free bike to move to Northwest Arkansas. Notice the free bike. You get a bike too, everybody. So let's get the bike and the Bitcoin. It says, in Northwest Arkansas, council wants to give people $10,000 in Bitcoin to move to Northwest Arkansas and work in the tech fields. Why does it matter? Well, they're estimating there's a 7,500 new jobs in the tech arena in the next 10 years out there. While many of those jobs can be filled with people trained in the region, companies still have to hire from outside of Northwest Arkansas to meet the demands. So if you're looking to get better at tech and you're good at it, and you'd like to have a little $10,000 in Bitcoin and a bike, this could be for you. Now, keep reading here a little bit. Between the lines, with more and more people working from home and changing jobs during the pandemic, incentives like this have the potential to scoop up remote tech workers from other cities. It says right here, the latest installment of the council's Life Work Here initiative. Well, they launched in 2020. They accepted 50 people the first year, and 32,000 people applied. So 50 people got the $10,000 in Bitcoin. Maybe you could be one of the 50 next year. So definitely check this out. Get your local stories. Northwest Arkansas, $10,000 to move to Arkansas if you're into tech and you actually are one of the lucky ones. Over here at AMP Token's website, it says amptoken.org. Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like LRC with instant variable assurance for any real-world applications. 3 things that AMP token does: you stake the AMP, you send the AMP, and you repeat. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing assets transfers. By staking AMP, in any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchange, loan distributions, properties, and sales. Send. Once staked to a portion, AMP is ready to collateralize and transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof networks and any real-world application. Repeat. AMP also simplifies network rewards distribution once a transfer complete. AMP smart contracts offer a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distributions and continually compounding. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for your users with smart contracts features. Purpose is built from collateral, nothing more, nothing less. And let's take a look at our friends. From staking payments on Flexa to providing liquidity, AMP's ecosystems offers many use to earn the AMP today. Here's all their friends that they're working with: Bittrex, Coinbase, crypto.com, can't name them all, Moonswap, Rainbow, CoinGecko, Chainlink. Over here at CoinMarketCap, again, AMP's at 4 cents. My price prediction is this token's going to get back to 8 to 12 cents. It goes up to 7 all the time, 5, 6, 7, and then comes back down. It goes up to 7 all the time. 8 to 12 cents. Its high was 12 cents last June when it got listed. All our information is for educational purposes only, but there's the 25 days of Flexa. They've added all kinds of things. Go back to their Twitter account, 25 different things, all kinds of coins, all kinds of different listings. AMP is getting their name out there. AMP is basically collateralizing, and it's becoming big. So let's check out the top 10. Polkadot's up 10% in the last 7 days. Luna's up 26% in the last 7 days. XRP's up 3% in the last 7 days. Cardano's up 5% in the last 7 days. Solana's up 2% in the last 7 days. BNB's up 11% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's up 6%, and Bitcoin is up 4%. That's nice to see everything bouncing back. I know everything was the red, but everything is coming bouncing back up, which is fantastic. 10,000 for Bitcoin to go to Arkansas. AMP tokens at 4 cents. Perfect opportunity to load back up if you're trying to get a better position. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, today's Saturday. Have a fantastic day today.